In the last video, we have installed Thunderbird, Pigeon and UGET. In this video, I will show you how to install Dropbox for cloud storage. Since Dropbox is a proprietary software, we need to go into the developer software to download the installer packet. Right click and open a new tab. I have been testing it here, so I will close it. Since we are on Ubuntu and we are using 64-bit versions, we will choosing this. This link will download Dropbox AMD 64 self. Open. Right click, open terminal here. Sudo. We will using dpkg to install this packet. dpkg, since it is a dev packet. Flag y hyphen y and then dot slash and the name of the packet. We will just need to type dr and then tab. The name will be auto completed for you. Enter. Provide the password. And this packet actually just give you the Dropbox command. We will have to install the daemon. Daemon is like service in Windows. It will run in the background. Sudo apt get no, sorry, Dropbox start slash hyphen y, enter. And in order to use Dropbox, you must download the proprietary daemon. So we will OK and it will download Dropbox. The download should take a while, so I will pause the video here. After the daemon is downloaded, Dropbox is completed setup. Okay, now you just enter the email and password of your Dropbox account to using it.